Hello there, my name is Musa Dejan from Durban, South Africa. Welcome to this video. I will just show you how to cash out your tokens. This is video number 4 in a series of 4 videos I was recording teaching all the ICO basics. So if you haven't watched video 1, 2 and 3, make sure you go back and watch those videos. On this one, I just want to show you how to cash out. Before I continue, I just want to let you know that this is not financial advice. I'm not financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I'm doing in terms of investing in different cryptocurrencies and in different ICOs, right? So without any further ado, let's get to the meat and potatoes of this one. So I'm logged onto my Ether wallet, as you can see right here, and I have some Ethereum already, because it's important that you have some Ethereum in your wallet before you do any transaction, because you want to be able to cover the transaction fees, right? So I used the self key as an example. I bought some tokens during the ICO. As you can see, it was sold out within 11 minutes, right? So I bought some tokens there, and then they released their tokens to my Ether wallet. So they are here now. I want to send those tokens from my Ether wallet to an exchange called KuCoin, because KuCoin supports a lot of tokens and coins that you can trade. So if you don't have an account with KuCoin, just click on the link below this video and then create your account. Another big exchange as well is called Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, make sure that you also click the Binance link below this video and create an account as well, because you're gonna need the Binance account for you to trade other tokens, right? But let's just go back to this video. So what I will have to do is to go to my KuCoin account, and then as you can see, this is the self key token. So what I want to do is to deposit some tokens from my Ether wallet to this account. So I just clicked on the deposit button, and I'm going to grab my my key address here. Make sure that you are copying the correct one. It says your key wallet address is this one, so I will copy that and just go back to my Ether wallet and paste it here. And then I need to indicate how many tokens I want to withdraw from this wallet here. As you can see, the total I have is over 80,000 key tokens in this wallet. In my case, I want to withdraw all of them, so I will just click where it says send entire balance, right? And then notice that the gas limit is, the default was 21,000, but as soon as I selected the amount of tokens I want to send, it changed accordingly to cover the transaction fees. So I will just click the generate transaction bar, click the send transaction button, and then now this is the confirmation window now, confirming that I want to send 80,000 tokens from my Ether wallet to this address here, basically, right? So as you can see, it says that you are about to send 80,596 tokens to this address here. So I'm double checking my address. The first few characters are the same, and the last few characters, last 425C. You want to make sure that you double check that before you click the send button. So yes, I am sure I want to make this transaction, so that's why I'm clicking that button, and now it says your TX has been broadcast to the network. So now what is going to happen is that the Ethereum miners are going to confirm this transaction and send my tokens from my Ether wallet to my KuCoin self key wallet, right? So I just cashed out. Let me just check the status of this transaction. Alright, so let's check the status. It says transaction found. So in other words, now the transaction is now on the blockchain. So the miners are going to verify the transaction and send my tokens from my Ether to the KuCoin wallet. Now once my coins reflect here, for now it says 0. So I will show you once the coins reflect here, right? So I'm going to pause this video for now, and I'll continue as soon as my coins have been sent to this wallet here. Alright, I'm back with you now. As you can see, my tokens are in. It took about 10 minutes for them to come through. I don't know if you noticed the time. It was around about 7:27 when I did this transaction, and I only noticed now that they are already in. So it took about plus or minus 10 minutes for them to reflect. So now that I have moved my tokens to this exchange called KuCoin. So again, if you don't have an account with KuCoin, please just click the link below and create your account. Now that I have these tokens here now, I have a choice. I can exchange them to Bitcoins, I can exchange them to Ethereum, and then from there I can send it to my Luno wallet, for example, and then change it to my country's currency, which is South African rands. But for now, that's it for this video. But as you can see, the amount of these tokens in terms of USD, they're currently worth 3,600. And guess how much I used to buy these tokens? I only used 500 USD. So already you can tell that I have made some some nice profit as well. So what I will do is I will just hold my tokens. I will not sell them. I will not exchange them to anything for now. I will just let them grow. I think I will only sell them when they are worth 50 cents to $1. That could take plus or minus 3 to 6 months for that to happen. So I will just hold on to my tokens, and as you can see right here, I will just hold on to them. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something or two. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about cryptocurrencies, about ICOs and stuff like that. My name is Musa Dejan from Durban, South Africa. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you, and I appreciate your time as well. All the best going forward. Bye bye for now.